What up, Bossalinas? All right, today's the day. We got Tim. We got Tim, and we're going to pick up the new bike. See how this goes. I'm nervous.
It's a good thing.
Yeah, dude. Thank you, bro, for doing this.
Parking lot for your destination.
You said a green parking spot.
That green parking spot. We're at the police department?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
He wanted to meet at the city hall.
Okay.
So he don't get killed.
Arrived.
I was like, that makes sense, I guess.
Yeah. Except for the fact that we're in the police department.
I know, dude. I don't like this. He said in a green parking space.
There's no green parking space.
What the fuck is this guy talking about?
Yeah, there's no.
What is this guy talking about?
I feel like I'm in the back where I'm not supposed to be because of this gate.
Right? Like this is where the cops
park. Yeah, this is where the cops park.
Like it's an access code thing.
I know, dude. I think I'm really sure we're in the wrong spot, dude.
Maybe it's that building around the other fire rescue. Like that to me looks like
this is for the fire department.
Right.
That's where they do their practice
yeah.
with their fire shit.
I guess we just grab a spot, huh? Oh, green spot.
Ah, green spot, you
Dude.
found it. Wow. Right on.
This truck's up so high I can't see.
We found
I'm too short.
Or you found the green. What does the green spot say?
Safe exchange zone. Nice, dude.
What the fuck? Oh, I guess that's what it is. So that means that this is where you park when you want to exchange, you want to buy something or something like that. This is where.
Dude.
Oh man.
So you can get raped.
This is awesome. Like right up front.
We're taking the green space. We're taking the green space so we can be safe and this guy can be dangerous. It's like bass when you're doing when you're playing chase. You know?
Man.
Tag.
I'm safe.
Yeah.
Safe, dude.
We made it to the safe exchange zone.
Right.
Gay guys meet here on the weekends. Ooh, here she comes, Bossalinas. Y'all ready? She's kind of quiet. My bike's louder than that. It's got a long pipe on it though. She is. Yeah, dude. How's it going, man?
Hey man, how are you?
Pretty good. Oh, dude, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I know you're gonna. I miss my 07 that I just wrecked. I'm Dustin.
Kelson.
Yeah, nice to meet you, dude. Yeah, we almost got the same name.
Yeah.
Oh, this is exciting, dude.
Looks great, doesn't it?
Yeah. It feels good, man. It's not. I was worried it would be too wide for my little short ass.
Yeah, it's actually it goes.
Tim said buy it, so we're getting it.
Tim did not say that. At all.
Look at him, y'all. There goes our new bike. This guy's stealing it. That's his dad in that Mini Cooper. Oh, you can't see nothing. There it is. That's his dad in a Mini Cooper. We're going to the bank. He wouldn't let me ride it. He didn't trust me. He thought I was gonna take off on him or something, but you know, I can't blame him. Or like Tim said, I might just drop it and be like, nah, I don't want this. Throw it on the ground. This thing's a piece of shit. And I just leave. I like how he wants to do this at the bank so he can make sure the money's real. I think that's what he's doing.
Yeah, of course it is, and that's fine, dude. Whatever, man. You gotta give some before you take some, though, man. What the fuck?
That thing felt good, though, dude. All right, y'all. Next time you see me, I'm gonna be a fast boy. All right, Bossalinas, this is it, dude. This thing's ours. Brand new tires on her. Quick shifter. Oh my God, dude. I'm so nervous, bro. Oh man, like not nervous, just excited, anxious, crazy, excited. And that's Tim waiting on us to make sure we ain't gonna die. All right. She's booted. Mode. Standard. Hey. All right, Bossalinas, here we go. First ride on the FZ-10. Ooh, she sounds like R1. Whew. Y'all, I am so nervous right now. Let's just take her easy. Holy shit. She feels good. She feels pretty smooth. We can flat foot her. Bro, and I can flat foot her. Hell yeah, dude. She feels good, bro. And she sounds like a R1, don't she? Bro. Woo, shit, dude. I'm excited. All right, buddy. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. She is quite jerky. We have to change up the rig. The rig don't fit right no more. Sorry for the angle. This is our bike now, y'all. Ah, feel the front wheel. Oh my God. Dude, we're doing 80. That dude. Oh, and third. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. This whole video is just gonna be me saying, oh my God. FZ-07 owner's reaction to getting an FZ-10. I'll tell you what though, I miss the sound of that FZ. I wish this thing sounded more like that. Woo. Yeah, I just gotta get used to this throttle. All of it's weird. Let's just ride a little bit further. We're supposed to turn right there, but this thing's making me want to go. Y'all know we got to take her on the highway before we go home, right? Oh, they're raising the whole road. Look at that. Huh. Oh my God, dude. It does feel hot. I feel heat coming off of it. I don't know how somebody could ride this bike in shorts. It's not quite as hot as that Daytona was, but it feels hot. I was just trying to see what the temperature. I don't see a temp like thing. Oh, what's up, bro? Oh, dude, that guy either works at Cycle Gear or we've seen him at Cycle Gear. Come on, let's go see him. That's an FZ-1, bro. Oh crap, dude, this bike is so effing fast. That's like one of the OG where this bike came from. What's up, bro? Yeah, dude. Hey, I met you before at Cycle Gear. Yep. Hell yeah, bro. I remember that bike. Yam fam, dude. I keep clutching on the upshifts. I forget about the quick shifter. We're gonna find all about that right now. Let's go get on the highway, huh, guys? Y'all excited? Ooh, I'm excited. Hold on, here we go. Quick shifter, bro. Forgot about it. Squeeze the shit out of this bike with your legs, man. It wants to throw you right off at 130. Let's take it easy, man. Let's not fucking try to max this thing out on the first day. Dude, that was what, 140? And she, man, we weren't even near, dude, we weren't even close to the end, dude. Just take her easy. I mainly wanted to get out here and see if she was gonna wobble or vibrate at speed. And it does suffer from the naked, like, wobble, sorta. But he said he hadn't checked the tire pressure, so it could be a little bit low. And it's not wobbling, it's just, it's a little unsteady like that. Woo, woo! Oh my God, y'all, this is our bike now. This is our bike now, guys. For better or worse. This is where I almost hit that piece of debris. Well, I did hit it. I ran over it and my tire slipped out on me. Technically, I almost hit the curb. How about that quick shifter? What's that, a Jaguar up there? They look like Aston Martins to me. Oh no, that's like a Porsche or something. What's up, bro? I didn't know we was racing until he was already passing us. Awesome, dude. This is freaking awesome. I'm excited. Oh my God, dude, I love this bike, y'all. I love it. I knew I'd love it. It's like my black FZ did a bunch of cocaine and steroids and turned into this thing. Goodness gracious, bro. Where's he going? Whew. Let's go home before we get hurt. We're still in A mode, dude. She's not one to pick the wheel up like I thought she was, so that's good. A mode keeps us from wheeling before we're ready. I can tell that I could make it if I wanted to, but it's not one to do it on its own. And it definitely has been tuned. It's got a sticker on the side of the ECU. We're gonna look at all that eventually. Dang, she sounds like an R1, dude. She sounds like an MT-10. This is an FZ though, I think. Not an MT yet. Man, first gear on this thing is insane! Woo. Oh, I'm so happy, y'all. I was very worried going into this. That's a lot of money. You know what I mean? Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I appreciate it. Thanks for coming along for the ride, dude. This is a new chapter in the Bossalina book. We got an FZ-10. Everybody can stop telling me to get a man's bike. I have a man's bike now. Don't worry, I still have a girl bike too. Where's the horn at? Oh, way over there. Where's the horn? Oh, all right, we got it. Not that that horn matters one bit, dude. I don't even think I honked at that guy when he pulled. I didn't have time. My hands were busy. They were all squeezing stuff. I was downshifting and freaking clutching and braking and steer. I was trying to steer and brake at the same time. Part of me thinks I should have just chose one or the other. But I think either way I'd have hit him. I was trying to not hit the side of the car, you know what I mean? And slow down as much as possible so that I would reduce the impact, you know? Let me show this guy. Ooh. Let's see how she dives in our curve. This suspension, I think the suspension needs to be adjusted for my little skinny ass. Whoa, yeah, she dips down in the curves, bro. They just opened a track around here recently. We're gonna go out there and get this suspension tuned for us. This thing is definitely not ready for twisties. It's not planted like the black FZ. Oh God. It also has brand new tires too. New tires are super twitchy. Woo, Basalinas, what up? Sorry if the camera's blurry. My rag, I ended up using my rag to wipe my head, and I forgot that I was using it for... I did my best, but I can't not show y'all this. Golly, bro. Ooh, 0 to 60 in like half a second. I don't know, bro. This thing's so fast, dude. Tuned. Oh, with an exhaust, sounds so good. Shout out to Tim for taking us today. Love you, Bossalinas. Thanks for being with me. Love y'all. The ones who are still here. The ones who haven't given up on me yet. Love you guys. Bye.